Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about advanced features of Excel. So in this chapter first we will learn about chart. What is chart? A chart is a graphical representation for data visualizations in which data is represented by symbols. Means if you want to represent any data with the help of symbols, then we are using charts. Okay, so charts allow you to see the meaning behind the numbers, and they make it very easy to make comparisons, relationships and trends in a data value. Means with the help of chart we are creating relation between two or more categories. So then we are using chart. So a lot of components of charts. Components of charts. First is chart area, second chart title, third horizontal axis, fourth vertical axis, fifth category name, sixth plot area, 7 data series, 8 legends, 9 grid lines. All these are the components of chart. So now we will discuss one by one. First, here given chart area. What do you mean by chart area? So the area where we are drawing the charts means chart area is the main area of the chart which contains various objects of the chart. That area is known as chart area. And chart titles, look in these figures. Here given chart title, and this area is known as chart area. Okay, so here is given chart title. Chart title is here given. Final examination is the chart title. Okay, so how do we know about chart title? It means every chart have a particular title, that is chart title. So the title describes what the chart is illustrating, aim and contents of chart, that is chart area. Next, horizontal axis. If you want to draw bar chart, then horizontal axis and vertical axis is important, play important roles. So also known as horizontal axis is also known as x-axis. So it is the part of chart. Sometimes the horizontal axis identify the categories in the chart, so it is also called a category axis. Okay, vertical axis also known as y-axis is vertical part of the chart. Sometimes the vertical axis identifies the value in which chart, so it is also known as value axis. Look here, this axis is horizontal axis and that is the vertical axis. So vertical axis show the category's name and horizontal axis is also known as x-axis. Okay, next types of charts. So different types of charts are here. Bar chart, column chart, area chart, XY chart, pie chart, a lot of types of charts here. So now we will discuss one by one I will discuss. First, bar chart. Bar chart is used when you want to compare between two or many categories, then we are using bar chart. So in bar chart, dear students, we will define the categories axis for vertical axis and value axis on horizontal axis. Okay, so look here bar chart given. So this is the category's name here given, and this is the value, means horizontal values. So it is value axis and it is the category axis. Bar chart we are display on the screens in 2D or 3D way both, so it is very important. Okay, so next we will discuss about column chart. So column chart, look here, this is the column chart because it is drawing in column way, then we are saying column chart. So in this chart, dear students, it is also used for comparing the two or more categories, but here something is different. Here is the x-axis is a categories axis, means categories are organized horizontally, and value axis is organized in vertically. So it is the column chart. Okay, yes, thank you.